bi da wo de o no kora fo betimaka wa fi oba bi nufu anu a obo wada o fi nufu anano wo di teso so anu kakra nepo no a obepo no na afọ na yi wrinkle na ewa anu na aba na wura wanum be me bia nso wo ofisa na wo hia sa nyama nketenkete a utumi nja nkotungu enti ya na de a shout tachara masese no etu de sha ma ye bi da fa me minimum ma bo wa saada enti o de sha ni tachara masese no ayela no gusu tafre enti so fi ho ba no ba wanuma osuoso be yam wanuma che be so mene wo attempt so be mene ha beti an is that not it was here one many particles and your ba unufu anu soso nipples no soso for you to work on your personal hygiene and presentation work on the nipples there be an opa udware a fansuo ehohuru ni sei famia enye se wo ye we me udwutwa bepra enti fansuo no gusu saa na ye say just rub it because in kuna osra no eba ho there to so bio. For you to take care of your personal appearance as a woman, men share brazils and abesra. Don't smear pomade whilst you are wearing brazier. Go and sra yourself naked so that every part of your body will become uniform. Because told me you to me be so mal. You be a so baby a Coca-Cola, baby a Fanta, maybe a malt. Bema so ne wine. Who to me can obey sa a kum bema. So the physical appearance is good, but let us have a personal, definite, hygiene, good smell for your physical appearance. Which means, oba uhuye fani e shiawa, men ma umati yomu bon, oba umati yomu so to me bon, if you say uhuye fe, emba uhuye fe dudu wana umati yomu bon, ni nufu tem bon, na yase bon, ne num bon, if you say uhuye fe. So when you are going to choose a beautiful woman but with these characteristics. Eti wa wo tie me anufu mu bon material de obe akoko bi ninti udware a twitwififi men twitwi ne de be ekro bokoboko bi ensu oguso na adodare ma 3 months if aya hu aduo ensu no ba free fa twi ase ma left one so twi ase efia ade na efia baba nimsa ma so na twi ase efia baba bu na efia baba bi unu efia baba bi oh side presenter short bisa or a friend fear neto doors. You know, as I will refer to the fear for Nankasa Monufo. Sir, I was a Schwarzenegger. If you are Schwarzenegger, and I get a call. The friend of fear, young bonnet, you know, buy. If you be only for young bonnet, you know, buy. I'm more for pa. I'm more for. That's it. Number 2. Onya no for we. Now when your color. Say we are too much. Men Paul, men cast a copon. By your be or your tomb, Bama. Nancy in tomb no mono, a clean, a neat. Obu also your tomb, Nasu tomb Nankas and a few. Daddy ye, men Paul. Penco and no di. En Kuton and new dear Sankuto, Nan Kuton and Yabo a chibon. Enti, Sankuto now sra. And kuto ya so many refining kuto koko bata ni de keka ni nyina ye kuto ya twe afim enti paade ye hu amkakra na fa fra kuto na sra na ho nyefe na ho pampa anya de ngina ye umotiemu bo modern na shave umotiemu a ye shave no enti ema sweat glands ni begina enwi ni mu na bon now the deodorant yes wa antiperspirant no enti mi nko sweat glands na umotiemu bon oba so ho ofe ni ho ba ho timi nka nkire no be ma bia wa ware oba no ho ofe bia no bre won pam na ho venti won't make us no bon o ka wo sure say onyonko for fra chale I meet your woman today I swear chale this machine they use that they talk say chale if you don't say you use her like me I go take you so and you be who say you know who fa kasa wo enjoy na be me bia no ho fa no uyi omo 10 8 are suffering in bed because beautiful women they have what it takes to maintain marriages so their sexual drive is low. They create the sexual drive for you as a man with their beauty, but they are not good in bed. And I saw that house. How much who want them? And I was so said, Bubu so Jawa dear. And to my father's son out. Now, who's your band who are time? Or if so, one who are time, Uja will be alpha, and to their 7 level. Maunans won and the no, Bodancha won and the no, Konima Fata, oh, who can I know? Who done in another Danny? No ban who fed or done in now. What's this? Baby, you break my knees. I feel pain in my spine. I feel so weak, honey. I have a headache when I went to the salon to fix this hair. So beauty is essential to choose for a life partner as a woman. Now, as a man, the next thing you need to check is the communication skills of a beautiful woman. Women who are beautiful don't know how to communicate well.
So officer who offense.
Medase onim kasa. Onim kasa. Because obi said who offend. And I'm not going to say the fact said who offend you. Every time obenya foforo. O just say enti ne kasa ni nyina ye bom. O kasa ti say Cecilia friend say Dana Samoa.
Dana Samoa ka wasa obi di message aba wase hwe wase ma wo ka so ni ja Dana Samoa sanka.
Anybody we tumi fo. Ne futu so de opa na afa.
Afutu so ye duamo.
Me da say enti me pa na me fa.
Enye duamo ntifa.
Say no na aka. So who ofa who ofe. What must say? Enti kasa ye kasa we enum no. Oba bia wo tie me ahom ofe. If you know you are beautiful, you know. And let me say this before I move on. Any woman who is beautiful, she knows she is what? Beautiful.
Ali sa ko so mo ntai nya awale entem.
Enye so mo nya awale entem o. Embe me suro won. Enti na me last part no. Me tell how to go and propose to a beautiful woman. And that is why we are going to end today. How to propose to an ugly woman and how to propose to a beautiful woman. Okay. Once you know you are beautiful as a woman, present yourself beautiful every time. If you're always in pawns, come up with pawns. And work in between your breasts, work in your armpit, and work in your anal region. Anal region. You see, anal region. I'm what you say. What can I say?
Anal region.
Uturumu kwine.
Oh,
some camera for Bianchi.
To seven kakra.
There are not some in Yama.
Some of them to seven now. The by Pino, Uber translating. Not the seven.
I can't say.
Simple.
Utoquine. Utoquine. Until Utoquine. Or bow to son or to quine mubon. If he said, Uko baby, so I want to mean transit and pepauto. And today be an almost sorry as some pomoto. A tomo papa. Na particles na ka ho esunti na ka bom u hia no na be born dog ya na gba afa so pan ti se biabo ade we share bi da asema me ka ho de bi asema me ka ho oba bi ani ha na wa so hone ade na so hone
so de o kara asa e bofa me so
ayu share bi da bodi e
share bi da be na wo kara em nwanwa
efia tie o se
efia foi Kasra baby you.
Aden.
Efia benya sana ko topon.
Efia bia ye fia.
Enti unu za fia bia ye fia na ka ayi. Efia so asiri ga ka say only we say boy no.
Trigmatic. So the trig there what trig? I'm say one trig. Enti me ka fia. Efia papa bi wo ho. Efia ka news wo ho. Efia oni nu fo wo ho. And efia so asiri ga ho. But efia tie. Oba bia wo to so no. And channel to bon, and to make sure say, oh, caught baby swap, pay pure water, and samna, or roto. Moon so more daddy, I won't pack on Yakatua and see a daddy ho. There be a found and see a communal so. Oh, daddy, we are, fence so half bucket. Fetch him, chim, samna, fashion said, chim, yeah, fast samna, roya say, ya de chichi, ya de roya to. And so bow to sono, it is one of your challenges. So we ye to subio oba to sono u pia dress ya kwa bonten a oba bia wonnam a wo to wo sono we ye indecent member obi ona bobio oba wonnam a wo to wo so when you walk and your butt is shaking it's an indecent way of presenting yourself as a beautiful woman who has enough buttocks. The reason is that you have your buttocks must be held and yet ding but once you dress up it should be held. When it is exposed it should be loose. What did I say? Say wonam krom na be me hu a e say to no abo
amagina
en say woso wonnante a e say oba bia nante a tro one nyame hyare na ball to mienu nti ukosi a zig zag enye gbogbo
ni say woturu bom
dabi
obo akwa ne turu bubom sa kra say no e bia na onim catwalk onim say na nante e ma bebezu ni mu nante
na me say nante say tro one nti catch o mo say nante a tro one nti ukwa left right na we bo we so na bo we so na ye fe ba wonam na to ye gbem no enti na say we be dress ahye bibi e be hold ya to na e we lose no na so ye hia wo dem ne ye woro a e say ye lose
enyemre
e say ye mre what you say e say ye mre enye bawe mon kai say mema be me bia obe wale wo no be ye mpema gro de bi o si dwade so no ye mpema gro no bisan say adentia oyaw. You don't need to take your bath before sexual intercourse.
Ebia no oni dipa no asem kan o for example ebia anya ne gere oni na konantia kojo mania
oba nanti for 72 hours and say wo bon
wa jonso a
you oba jonso for 3 days and say na se bon gise onim se ne ye no wa se be bon na je se wo jonso a wonim jonso emba bi se si om ko jonso om kutu say okoto wade no so say kafra say me to demonstrate na okoto na chi say a owie a urim de oye owie a no awoso no hu te so oye bema enti jonso ne nsoso e na jonso bon say bi
o kansa ya to sebe ka awia bo
na bi ye kan ya to sebe
sebe ejanan
okay jonso bon say ejanan if a woman wants to know why she's smelling, the urine of every human being smells more than feces. So if you go and wee-wee and you don't wait for the discharge of all the wee-wee, it pours in your panty cotton and it goes to rub on the hair on your private part, then you smell. So when you work 72 hours, a man can lick you without smell. And remember, licking is not a sin. Shut up, pastors. Shut up, men of God. Shut up, those of you who don't know the importance of licking. The evidence of a man's clearing the throat, a man that has constant sore throat. If you are a man that constantly you lose your voice, just lick.
You say yeah.
What I can?
Yeah, won't you?
Why?
So for Saturday.
Oh ha.
Aye.
Some guys woman warning. So I'm part of from preaching. Catch a sack what they say me see. I'm part of from preaching. While lick and won't say any.
I say yeah.
While lick it.
Oh,
me see while lick it. Only station beauty had no tea. I'm so while lick it. Me see while lick it.
I know. Nipa no nye.
Sa kwadia while lick it.
Oh, any bizarre.
So for sa kwadia we no first and last. Prescriptive for no preaching. Sa kwadia ha na preaching. Wakonya so na mete no. We no first and last. Matisi ase wo kan. Na me ma warning. Unim licking who faso shut up. Sakodi.
Na di yeso ya ma unya throat cancer.
Me challenge every clinical person. Licking can never give you throat cancer. Never.
Never mind.
Me see, you'll be a friend. CS4, CS2, CS1. It is an ingredient in the woman's private part that when it goes into your throat, oh my God, the only time I will meet Sarkodia is Sarkodia will testify that he has done it before. You can't talk about what you have not done before. Do you know the importance of licking? What do you mean? And this is why baby I will tell me Marcianinya fresh because of the licking. Because ye bahwa pampa between both who are found so now a block of honey back. You and your foot must sport egg. Ladies and gentlemen. And no na Sarkodia canon. Ye be a suma Sarkodia ne bon. Sarkodia cat because we share be pain. He lost it, Sarkodia lost it. Sarkodia man kept you. Bonnie be any home. And your bar would see me see. I want to do it. No, I have to freshen up first. You don't need to freshen up. So work on your body so that you will not have bad odor when you work even for 72 hours. 3 days you shouldn't smell.
And you want that friend?
Kasab.
Why did it?
That friend is out of them. Bema say could dynamic to me no one that Debbie is a wrong thing. You don't need to bath. You don't wash where. Debbie you are the new here. Temperature war man can be that. Hey, your touch what he said, you say. Now you say, you will see the temperature in the place. Ha! Would you when you're cold? Now, what mean you fine? Now, a dear, oh, ya, now don't want it butter who say. Now we are. Oh, inhale.
Okay, we can see here more radio. Yeah, so for that's what the